Okay. Will that work? Nope.
Here, I'll video clip you.
No, it's good. It's good.
No, it's not.
Hi.
Wait, no. We're both.
It only sees you.
Emma, scoop.
I know. No. You're going to do it on you and I'm going
Okay.
to do it on me.
Okay. So, we're going to be doing the soda burping challenge. And whoever burps the loudest wins. And I have my friend over here. She's taking a video on hers. And I'm taking a video on hers. On mine.
Ready,
And
set, go. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo.
One. 2. 3, 2.
Okay, so far it's 3-2. 2. So let's keep going.
Flag on the foot. Let somebody get some. Let somebody.
I'll be quiet.
3, 4, 3. 5, 3.
It should be like this. It should
4.
be like this.
No, 5.
It should be like this.
On the block. That's what it is.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
No, it's like 6.
Woo! I got 5 and she got 5.
I'm going downstairs, guys. Bye.
So far, and it's 5-5. So I'm just gonna pause, and we're gonna see you guys back.
I'm just going to pause real quick.
Okay, we are back.
Yeah, we're back.
And we just wanted to take a little break because we did this a little bit. So let's keep going. Obviously, she's already going. She got 7.
Whoa!
6, I think. 6.
7-6.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Me too. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Yep. So you guys like our video.
Oh, God.
At the end of this, make sure that you like our video and put comments down below which drink you would want to use.
Need a hamburger.
I'd rather you use root beer because you could actually burp more. But we just used a random one. It's Dr. Thunder. Can you see that?
Dr. Thunder.
Dr. Thunder. It's Dr. Thunder Cherry. It's made from Great Value. You can buy it at Brothers Market, or I guess you can find it at Walmart too. You can use that, or you can use anything. But I'd rather you use root beer. So let's keep going. Oh, I didn't even take a drink.
Okay. Actually, by the way, once we're done with this, I want you guys count how many burps we've had, and then say who's the winner. My name's Emma. Her name's Carly.
Yeah, and we're gonna be making lots of videos. We've already made 3 so far, so you guys can go check that out. My name is
I'm bloody.
Carly Grant. Her name, I forgot her name. I think it's like emmacaywood. Yeah, it's emmacaywood. So you guys can just check out our videos. So let's keep going. Oh my god. Woo! There's like half of this left. Someone has to drink the rest of it to be done. So we're just gonna pause one more time.
Let me see if it's bad or not. I'm
Okay,
stopping. Wait, I'm stopping.
Okay, so I'm back.
No, I want to hear it.
We're not sure if we're gonna finish it or not. Okay. So we're actually gonna be done because we just wanted to stop. So see you guys later. Make sure you comment down below, and have a good day. Bye.